It's as simple as that. Expect cases to increase because there will be more testing. The advice is that do test. But the advice for you and me really is that if you are unwell, the better idea would be to stay at home and mask up, I would say, if there are vulnerable individuals around. Vulnerable, in fact, should be extremely cautious. 23 deaths in India. The government says all of them did not actually die of the infection per se, but died because they were highly comorbid.
All right. Extremely useful information. Thanks very much, Sneha, for joining us with all of those details. Just to sum up for you, what really has come out so far from the government, and with this surge in COVID cases, is there a reason for you to be worried? What steps do you need to take? I just want to sum it up for you and explain it to you as simply as I can. First of all, is it mandatory to wear masks again? No, but it is very much advisable in crowded places, considering that there are, of course, diseases and COVID infection also in the air. Is there any restriction on travel? If you've got holiday plans in this season, should you go ahead and cancel it? There are no curbs as of now in any states. Even in a state like Kerala, there are no curbs. It's important for us to highlight that. So you don't need to cancel any of your travel plans as of now. Is another COVID wave anticipated? No. But as Sneha also told us, the case count is expected to go up. And that's largely because you're going to see testing being ramped up. There's no reason to be concerned by any of the data that comes in that shows, a huge surge in your state. Is the current COVID variant of JN1 lethal? No. But as far as those with comorbidities are concerned, they must be careful, which is always the case. And even during the pandemic, of course, comorbid patients had to be doubly careful than the rest of us. Is the vaccine effective against this new variant, against the JN1 variant? Yes, very much so. The government, however, hasn't come out with any advisory per se or any directive for an additional dose. So if you're vaccinated at this point, the guarantee is that it won't turn into a serious illness. That much is for sure. And there's no need for you to rush to a hospital and get an additional dose. You could choose to do it, but there's no advisory that's come in from the government.